Hello friends, let us solve this problem. So when photons of wavelength 1240 angstrom strikes a metal surface, the photoelectrons with the maximum kinetic energy has thrice as much kinetic energy as the fastest electrons ejected by a source of wavelength 2480 angstrom from the same metal surface. सीधी सी बात है. The lesser the wavelength, moves the frequency, the moves the kinetic energy. So here you can see wavelength is almost half of this wavelength. So this will produce kinetic energy 3 times as the kinetic energy produced by this wavelength. Okay, here मालूम पड़ा question का meaning. So what do we have to find? So let us find first the work function of the metal. Work function is nothing but is divided by 5. Okay, so moving on to solution, you can see that kinetic energy produced by this 1240 angstrom is nothing but the energy minus the work function. Yes, जो remaining energy है उसका ही kinetic energy होता है. If the energy of photon is less than the work function, then there are no photoelectrons emitted, or kinetic energy is 0. So this should be more, of course. Now what is the energy of photon of 1240 angstrom? So you know the formula, energy is nothing but 12400 upon lambda in angstrom. This is in electron volts. So yes, you can see now 12400 upon 1240 minus 5 is the kinetic energy. This is the energy minus the work function, and this kinetic energy is 3 times the energy having 2480 angstrom. So you can see 12400 upon 2480 minus the work function. This is same because same metal की बात हो रही है. You can see same metal surface. So on solving this, you get the value of phi as 2.5 electron volts. So yes, the work function is 2.5 electron volts. So the energy is exactly 2.5 electron volts. There will be no emission if it is more than the work function. If it is 2.6 electron volts, then there you can see the emission of photoelectrons. तो वही जो emission जो होता है और जो energy से emit होता है वो क्या होता है? Kinetic energy. Simple. If your energy is less than 2.5 electron volts, then no photoelectric effect will take place. Okay, so this thing you know. Now find threshold wavelength of the metal. So what is threshold wavelength? Nothing but 12400 upon the work function. Yes, because E is 12400 by lambda. I have written over here. Sorry, once again I'm writing. So lambda यहाँ पे आ गया. E is the energy, threshold energy, and the work function we can say minimum energy required to emit the electrons. So the answer comes out to be 4960 angstrom. Now third part. Find stopping potential when light of wavelength 3100 angstrom is incident on this metal. This is metal, not meal. लगता है एग्जामिनर को बहुत भूख लगी थी. So okay, let's find C part. So kinetic energy is nothing but the energy minus the work function. So the energy is 12400 upon the wavelength. Wavelength is 3100. We can see. So minus work function. So this minus the work function is the answer. Kinetic energy. So this minus 2.5 will give 1.5. This is 4. So 4 electron volts minus 2.5 gives 1.5. Simple. This is in electron volts. Can convert this into joules. So stopping potential is nothing but 1.5 volts. So yes, stopping potential. Okay, that's right. So yes, thanks for watching the video. Hope you understood it.